Hello there. Today I will show you how to make an animation like this. Let's start. Go to the Canva and open up new project with video and landscape video. Now make the background color. I will choose the yellow gradient for the background. Now go to the elements and select the shapes, the rectangle shape, and make the color for red. Make like this and corner brownness like this. Okay, now go to the element again and select on the circle. Change the color also same red as a rectangle. Click on the Alt key and drag to the edge. You can transform the element without changing the center. Now add the border for the circle and border color will be white. Again, take the rectangle with rounded corner and make the cross icon like this. First one will rotate for the 45 degree, minus 45 degree, and click on Alt and drag and drop to the duplicate and rotate for this one to 45 degree and center the both rectangles and make cross icon like this. Select both and change the color to white and adjust the size. And you can prove this bookmark. Select on the both layer and click on the group. Now go to the text and add the text wrong all caps. Change the font what you like to need. I will choose the Weber's name and color will be white. Select on the rectangles under the text and go to the animation and make the animation this one. I will use the pen and select on the circle and choose pop. Select on the cross mark, select the false animation, select on the text and I will use the same as the rectangle I use. You can play and see how it will appear. You can now see the whole animation start with same time. So we need the adjust the timeline. For first you select on the rectangle shape and now go to the circle and adjust the timeline settings like this. Again cross mark and the text like this. Now select all these items and press Alt key and drag to the make duplicate and change the red color to green for both circle and rectangle and change the text for correct. Now we need to change the icon, so unroot this and make the check icon like this. Now adjust the timeline settings because we need the wrong answer first and correct answer after the wrong answer. So select the wrong answer, select the green answer and adjust the timeline settings like this. Appear for the screen one by one. Now we can add the placeholder for the videos. Go to the element and under the frame you can use the round corning rectangle shape and place like this and click on the right click and layer, show layer and drag to the placeholder bottom of the layer panel. Click on the Alt key and drag to the duplicate and make the adjustment like this. Select on both and send to the page. Now you can fill the placeholder with your videos. I will choose the sample video into Canva. Also, you can add the sound effect with wrong and correct answers to make the people engage with your video. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe and like this video for the get notification when I submit my next video. Thank you very much.